Hi, I'm Ethan, and I work with the Delaware County Courts here in Muncie, Indiana. I'm here to help prepare you to represent yourself in court. If you're watching this video, you're likely about to represent yourself in court. The first piece of advice I have for you is to make sure you review all your options. You have an incredible amount of resources at your disposal thanks to your state and local governments, even if you can't afford a lawyer. Just visit your local courthouse or justice center, in person or online, to look for information. Your most valuable tool in representing yourself is the internet. If you live in Indiana, you can go to the link at the bottom of the screen to see if you qualify for legal assistance. If you do decide to represent yourself, there are many more resources at your disposal. Below is a link to a series of short films from the Indiana Supreme Court that will help you in preparing for your case. These videos are much more in-depth and can help guide your case. You can also follow the link at the bottom of your screen for more information about representing yourself. Now, if you're going to represent yourself in court, there's some things you need to remember. Most important is to be respectful. Try to stay calm, do not argue, interrupt, yell, or swear to anyone in the courtroom, or you may be held in contempt of court. Be sure to come prepared and organized with everything you will need for your case. You'll need to share copies of evidence, so bring at least 3 copies of any evidence you plan to use. Also, write out the questions you plan to ask and go over them with your witnesses before the hearing. Make sure you arrive early. Judges like to start on time, and making them wait is not in your best interest. Do not bring young children unless instructed to do so by the court, and make sure there is someone there to take care of them. The court does not provide child care. During a hearing, always address the judge as Your Honor. What is not required, it is respectful for you to stand when you speak to the judge. Speak clearly and slowly, and loud enough for everyone to hear. Do not be afraid to ask questions when you don't hear or understand something, or if confused about what you should do. Never interrupt the judge, the witness, or the other party, and make sure to take notes. When the hearing starts, the judge may ask you for an opening statement, so be prepared to tell the judge in a few brief sentences what your case is about and how you plan to prove the facts of your case. Prepare yourself and know what to ask. You can ask court officials for information about the process, but court employees cannot tell you what words to write or what to say in court. And remember to make a good impression. Dressing nicely tells the court that you respect the courtroom process and care about your case.